slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up, y'all? IRV back here once again, and today we're gonna be reviewing a pair of Travis Scott Air Force Ones. If you're new to your channel and you like what you see, subscribe, drop a like, turn on notifications for your boy, and follow him on Instagram at IRV And if you don't like what you see, click out the video. It's that easy. If you don't fuck with rep or UA stuff, I'm not forcing y'all to watch this. So yeah, let's get into it, man. Not gonna be a very positive review. I'm gonna just let y'all know from the jump, I'm very happy about these, and the stuff that is just generally wrong with them, and it took like 10 years to come, obviously, because the EMS is slow as shit right now. But the shipping's not what I'm mad about, it's just the quality of the shoe itself. I got a pair of Amiri jeans with them, and those I'm actually stoked about, but the shoes themselves, nah, they're a no for me. So with that being said, let's get into it, man. This is the information. Sadly, it is from my people over at Yes Kicks. I'm always gonna keep it 100% with y'all, like about shoes that come in. Shoes, if I were to get them for free, if I were to pay for them, I usually pay for most of my shoes, even if it's at a discounted rate. And I'm always 100% honest and transparent with y'all in terms of all that shit. So whether I pay for the shoe or I get it for free or it's discounted, it's gonna be an honest review. And if it's trash, it's trash. And that just happens to be the case today. So Yes Kicks is good in general. Don't let this fool you. I don't condone buying any of this stuff, but I know y'all will do what you want with your money like I do with mine. So Yes Kicks is good, don't get me wrong, but this is just not a shoe you want to get from them in my experience of buying this shoe from them. So yeah, let's start with the box real quick. Simple box. Like I said, these I think they shipped in the middle of April, and it's the middle of June right now. So if that gives you an idea, it took about 2 months to come in. So I believe that's when it shipped. Yeah, I think like 2 months. So definitely get DHL shipping if you're buying from China for sure now. And even that's gonna take about a week and a half, give or take. So inside the box, just some paper. It says Force on the top. Again, I'm not taking long on this review at all. This is the first thing that I saw that was messed up, was just how these are all over the place. So they fell off. The glue didn't hold them on this during shipping. So I mean, they're just all over the place. So you can see they all just fall down, and it is what it is. So that being said, throw that back in there. The rest of the box is whatever, it's okay. This is what this looks like. Blah blah blah. It's a fucking piece of hair on my phone that won't get off no matter how much I blow on it. I'm tilted right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the box. Simple stuff. Honestly, with these, bro, I literally just want to go up on the street and just give it to like a homeless guy or some shit. Go to a better cause, or I might give it to like one of my friends or something that wants them. I don't know. Yeah. So here are the shoes. There you go. You can see the 3M is correct. Yes, it looks good. My gripe with the shoe in general, the first thing I saw straight out of the box, besides that messed up set of swooshes, the swooshes themselves are okay, they're fine and dandy, but the messed up set in terms of them being all over the place, this was the next thing I saw. So you can see where the Velcro is right here. It goes all the way to here, the Velcro itself, but the swoosh itself isn't big enough to fill that space. That's not how it should be. It should be size spot on to it. So you can see how much extra Velcro there is at the end. It just doesn't look right. So, and I found it odd because that's on right shoe. Left shoe is a little bit better on that, I feel. Actually, if I moved it up to fill the gap here, it would probably have the same amount, but yeah. Rest of the shoe, in my opinion, looked good. Pretty decent. 3M, yeah. It doesn't have 3M on the lace holes. That's one thing that all people bug about. Don't really care about that as long as they were on point otherwise, but sadly that's not the case. 3M on the back, Nike Air, yeah, that looks fine. Again, I'm not taking my whole damn day with this review. I'm just speeding through and telling y'all what I've seen wrong. Rest of the shoe, you can assume, looks pretty good if I don't mention it. Another thing, so y'all know they're supposed to come with grills on the bottom of the shoe as lace holders or lace, you know, lace locks kind of sort of deal, whatever, like lace decorations. This shoe just had 2 pieces. You can see these pieces right here on the back that hold the lace thing onto the laces. Those are the only thing that were hanging on these. I took them off, it just looked dumb. You can see where the where they're hanging on, kind of just by like the material wreckage. So yeah, right shoe only had 1 and had the pieces. Could be inside the box if I looked, but it's broken anyway, so it doesn't matter. Then I was about to start the review thinking, oh, this pair had both of them on their point. No, this pair, again, very weak material, and this is exactly how the other 2 were hanging on the other shoe. So you can see that should not be happening at all, especially before any wear. Should not be happening. So it is what it is. At the end of the day, those are the 2 main things or a couple main things I found wrong with the shoe in general. So y'all let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. The rest of the shoe looks pretty decent, in my opinion, but bottom of the shoe, y'all know I'm just kind of pissed. Honestly, at this point, I wish they'd make these shoes in size 13 at the very least, because if these were the same quality and not as great, but they were size 13, they actually fit, I'd be fine, I'd settle. But they're size 12, and again, I chose size 12 thinking, oh, maybe this size 12, since it might be from a different factory, might fit better. No, they don't fit anyway, so I'm giving them away to probably my roommate now that I think of it. Nice summer shoe for him to have if you take these off, and just deal with the shoes the way they are. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna let y'all go. If you're new to your channel or you do like what you see, let me know in the comment section down below. Otherwise, stay blessed, stay peace. Oh my god, what am I trying to say? Stay blessed, stay safe, peace. Catch you on the next one. Easy.